Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a word in your Google Docs document. So basically, when you type something, you can find this highlight on every word that is found in the document. So let me show you how you can use this tool on your document. Okay, first, let's open the document. I'm going to pick this document. And after that, you have to go to the edit menu and then click find and replace. Okay, let's say I want to find a word contract in this document. So let's type contract. It will automatically highlight all the matching words. So you can see there are many contracts in this document. You can click previous and next to find the next word on the document. Especially if you have a long document, you're probably going to use this feature a lot often. But I want to find a word that is specifically has the capital C in it. So there are many contracts, but some of them has lowercase contract. I just want to find the ones that has capital C. Just enable match case and it will filter all the results to the one that is matching the case. You can also use regular expression if you know how to use it, and you might also use directrix if you want to, but I think that's a bit too complicated for this video. So basically, this is the simple way to find a word in your document. Interestingly, you can also use the feature to replace that word to something else. For example, I'm going to change the word contract to maybe agreement. And after that, you can click replace, or you can also click replace all if you're confident that the system or the tool will only replace the exact match of the word. So for example, if I click replace, you will notice that it will start changing the word contract to agreement. So it says agreement, not contract anymore. And you can keep doing this until all the words are replaced, or you can also just click replace all to speed up the process. And there you go. That's the simple way to find a word in Google Docs. Alternatively, you can also use a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+F or Command+F if you're using Mac. And after that, you can type the word that you want to find in the document. Let's type agreement again. And it will highlight all the words in green. But again, this is very basic because you don't have the ability to match case or change the regular expression. But I think this is very useful, especially if you just want to find a word pretty quickly. Just be careful when you're using the replace feature because you don't want to accidentally change a lot of things without knowing it. So I highly recommend to make a copy of that document before making any major changes. You can learn more how to make a copy of your document in Google Docs in this video.